What is up and welcome back to the video. So today we are here at Dirt Tracks Middelburg. We are here for the second round of the Farm Jam Racing Series. Everything situated here at the pits. Now we are gonna go and do registration, do a pit walk, and yeah, we'll slap some stickers, give out some stickers, have a good time. What's up, Zane?
What's up, guys?
Oh yeah, so something special happened for this race. Can you tell us a bit more about what that is?
So we are lucky enough to get good support from National Flag Direct or NF Direct. As you can see, they hooked us up with a nice gazebo, and they've also gone as far as sponsoring the race fees and fuel and the travel out here. So big ups to NF Direct for hooking us up. Hopefully we can build a nice partnership with them going forward.
It's obviously awesome having a title sponsor, and please guys, go to their socials, give them a big thumbs up, drop a comment over there, tell them that we are all thankful for them sponsoring us for this race.
Using the Teros, and we'll try and be friends to the environment. And you've got Rolos, that's first prize for us. Juniors, sponsored that. Also, performs on the Junior League as well.
License,
Stop.
A couple different ones. Thanks.
Farm Jam, we take between 15 and 20.
So we're done with registration, race briefing. I don't know if there's going to be another race briefing for the off-road riders. I think that was just quad and kiddies. Now we're going to do a little pit walk and hand out some stickers. Now that is the sound of my people. So tell me, Zane, how are you feeling? What's the vibe for the day? What's your tactic going to be in this race?
So I'm trying to prepare myself mentally and saying like this should be a lot easier in an EWXC style race. So technically I shouldn't be getting tired. That's the mind game anyways. So it's off the line, maybe a whole shot. I need to focus on not missing the turns, so focus on the red label, the red little things, which I'm colorblind, so it's very difficult for me to see those bad boys. But focus on not missing any corners. First lap, want to get some decent time, and then just sort of build up from there. Try not to stop at all, just keep the throttle wide open. One thing to remember, like with our style of enduro riding, you never really sit full taps in 6th gear like constantly, so you tend to ease off when you hit like maximum speed, but you just have to go no, keep it open, brake late, stay smooth.
Yeah, when in doubt, go flat out. Zane's getting his kit and everything ready. My plan for the race, don't crash, because I crashed in the last one and broke off my clutch lever. So I had to finish the race without a clutch lever. That made it a bit of a pain. And then I finished 9th in the previous round, so we'll try to improve on that. Top 5 maybe, hopefully podium. We'll see how it goes. We'll try and get that whole shot and go flat out all the way.
My advice is if you do decide to take any dirt naps, make them quick and get up and get going as quick as possible.
Yeah, and get them on camera.
So Rickard just came in. He just realized he got third place, hitting the podium. How was it, bro?
Ooh, so good. I'm dying. I wanted it bad enough. There was a moment on like the last lap where I was cramping up and there was like a guy passing me and I was like, no, I'm gonna go. So I overtook him again and didn't look back.
Killed it, man. Look at the state of the bike here. He was chugging some mud up there. State of Rickard. Nice and stuffed, bro. Where's the medal at?
Yeah. Thanks man, thanks.
Soms kry klippies en koue dan gee dit.
Yeah.
Then climbing the ladder now into our pro categories. This is where things started to get tasty and dicey as well. Scoring inside of the top 5 for our OR3 category. Five.
Alright, so as I'm sitting and editing this video, I realized I forgot to film an outro. I was so freaking tired after the race. So things went well, obviously, for me. I managed to place third and I was a couple of, seconds or minutes off the leader. So next time we'll gun for the first position. Unfortunately, the race did not go very well for Zane. His moose completely disintegrated, his rear moose, and I think it happened like midway through the second lap, so he could not complete the race, unfortunately. That is very, very unfortunate because I'm sure with his aggressive riding style that he would have gotten a podium again, because he finished, I think, second or third in the first round. So he was hungry for that as well. A little bit bummed out. But I would like to thank National Flag Direct for being the title sponsor for this race. Like, words cannot express how thankful we are for companies that support us. It's an expensive game, and wherever we can cut a little bit of costs helps us tremendously with what we are trying to achieve with the YouTube channel. So if you guys enjoyed that video, hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and please go and check out National Flag Direct on social media and check out the website. Give them some love for us. Peace out and keep ripping.